Your safety is now just a button away. Natural disasters are heartbreaking. They cause a lot of mental trauma and leave many people hurt for life. And we as a team wanted to deal with this. Our research found out that more than 500,000 deaths happen every year due to an earthquake. And the results were catastrophic. After researching about this issue a lot, we found out that a person can survive up to 72 hours after a natural disaster, provided he is uninjured and has fresh air. Now, that is why rapid localization of a casualty right after a natural disaster is the emergency services' top priority. After contacting various emergency departments, we actually found out that despite being the 21st century, many of the emergency services still use dogs to locate people. And that many emergency services, even within Italy, do not have proper devices to locate people after a natural disaster. And we as a team wanted to deal with this issue, find a proper solution to this issue, and rapidly locate people right after a natural disaster. And thus, our team designed the E button. What is the E button? It is a device, once activated, can send your signal to the emergency services. Now, how does it exactly work? Well, the device is actually made into two parts. The first part of the device is on the wall. It is a seismic sensor. Right when the earthquake takes place, the seismic sensor activates the transmitting devices. The transmitting device is a device that is placed in a place where people generally go when an earthquake happens. For example, schools are taught to go under the table when an earthquake takes place. So it might be kept under a table, maybe on top of the table. As soon as the earthquake takes place, the seismic device starts the transmitting device. And right when we click the transmitting device, the location of the device goes to the emergency services. They come and they save. Now this is a small demonstration of the prototype for product. As you can see, the person got up as soon as he felt the earthquake and went below the table. As a team, we wanted to capitalize on our product, and we thought about the various ways. The first way was to use the seismic sensors that were compatible with the transmitting devices and sell them. Furthermore, as a team, we believe that we could customize these transmitting devices. A person might not want to be a button. He might want it to be a desk lamp. Again, with this, we would further need to research the safety, because these devices are for prevention methods. Now you must be wondering, why do I need a button? Why can I not just use my mobile phone app? Well, the thing is that for you to take out your phone, look for the app, press the app, and then press for the emergency button is a lot of time. Generally, earthquakes are really short, and by the time you gather your thoughts properly, you could die. While the E button is simple. I mean, there is no rocket science in pressing a button. It's fast. As soon as the earthquake takes place, it gets activated, we press the button, and a signal gets sent. And it's reliable, is that it will not be activated in any other case other than a natural disaster. So I come to my final point. Why restore life for a few bucks when your safety is just a button away? Thank you. Do you have any questions?